The Rebuild Consortium is a 6-year research partnership funded by the UK Department for International Development. The general objective of the research was to explore governance relationship in post-conflict sub-region. It was designed to optimize the principles of aid effectiveness in the reconstruction of health systems. Northern Uganda, whose health infrastructure is only recovering after decades of conflict, was chosen for the research.
This work is very much locked to access, human resource as a resilient element, and particularly the issue of financing.
The research sought to study how households were coping with health care needs in post-conflict health care system. At a household level, it was noticed that health services were freely provided by government during the war, but now the choice of health provider is determined by one's ability to pay for the service. Kitugu Municipality Member of Parliament, Beatrice Anywa, said, although government has improved the health sector, the recruitment process needs to be decentralized.
Africans, really to get people on merit, there are very few. Because almost every household has unemployed people. Then my daughter, then my son, then my uncle. You know, that has also compromised the quality of service in the health sector.
The Rebuild Consortium was established to generate research evidence that supports healthcare system development in post-conflict countries like Uganda. It was also carried out in countries like Cambodia, Sierra Leone, and Zimbabwe. Gerald Rukasie reporting.